We're 2 weeks out from when Lollapalooza took place here in Chicago, and out of the 385,000 attendees, we are told by city leaders that less than 250 new COVID cases were tracked to the event. Dr. Allison Arwady with the Chicago Department of Public Health told us 203 new cases of COVID could be tracked to Lollapalooza, with 58 of those being Chicago residents, 7 of them from out of the state. Among the vaccinated, 4 out of 10,000 people were tested positive, with 16 out of 10,000 unvaccinated people testing positive for coronavirus. And out of the 385,000 that attended, more than 90% were vaccinated. Dr. Allison Arwady says the data suggests that large gatherings will not be an issue for Chicago moving forward.
So we continue to absolutely recommend that all festival and large event organizers require all attendees to be fully vaccinated against COVID or have a negative COVID test. We also are continuing to obviously recommend wearing the mask indoors right now, regardless of vaccination status, not forever, but while we get through this Delta surge. And if we do see numbers, if we do see one of those risk factors move into the higher risk category, we may move to do some more enforcement around that, but that's not right now.
And Dr. Arwady did tell us that there was a questionnaire done by attendees that said that 76% of those that came to the Music Fest said they felt safer knowing they had to show proof of vaccination before entering into Lollapalooza. Here at City Hall, I'm Glenn Marshall, WGN News.